So I want to show you this quick and easy way to to clean your dishwasher filter. As you can see, your filter is here. This, in particular, this dishwasher is a Bosch, but you'd want to take the first tray out and then turn this way to the point where these arrows don't line up. Take this out. I just cleaned it. I didn't clean this metal part, but I cleaned the filter itself. But then all you have to do, screw this until the arrows line up. This is optional, but you can remove the spray arm. I believe you can clean those. And one cool thing is, this is what actually gets your dishes clean. Sorry guys, it's kind of a mess right now. And I have something in the microwave. But I can put a dishwasher cleaning tablet either on here or directly at the bottom. I'll be right back, guys. Got the tablet right here. I personally gotta see if it fits in here. I believe the same company that makes these ones makes garbage disposal cleaner. Also, keep this away from dogs. I don't know if it can make them sick. I don't want to find out, though. Anyways, you'd want to do that. Next, you want to get your tray, place it on the dishwasher door, then slide it in place. Sometimes it can be a little tricky, but a majority of the times it will work. Sorry guys, the kitchen's a mess right now. Turn the dishwasher on. Quick sanitize. It will last for 3 hours and 15 minutes. And to reset, hold this down for 3 seconds. Also make sure that your silverware tray is in all the way. And then click start. And simply shut your door. That's how you want to clean your dishwasher.